All of the training equipment available to us that was designed to teach a dog to walk on a loose leash has a quick release mechanism. They also all have different levels of attention getting ability, and I'm starting with the most gentle level, the head collar. Here you can see how the ring can slide up and down. That's what I'm referring to as a quick release mechanism. Here we have a martingale. This particular martingale is made of cloth only, but again, you can see the quick release mechanism. Great piece of equipment. The next martingale I'm going to show you, another quick release mechanism, so it qualifies as a training collar, but it has the chain. So its quick release mechanism is made of chain, and just that noise increases the likelihood that you get the dog's attention. A little more of an attention getter is the slip collar, and again, a quick release mechanism built into it. Even more attention getting ability is the pinch collar. This beautiful collar is what we call a Lola collar, and you can see it does have the prongs inside, and again, it also has the same quick release mechanism. And you're probably more familiar with this. This is what you would usually see in the pinch collars. And it does have a higher or greater level of attention getting ability. Here is a slip lead. A lot of shelters, when you go in, they may just hand you a slip lead. But again, it has that quick release mechanism, and that's its ability to get the dog's attention.